Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Vivo iQOO U5x to an Android device. Firstly, just open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to set it up. So do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, choose Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. After that, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Vivo, of course, and Receive at the bottom next to Send on an Android. Stick around on your Android and pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Vivo. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top. Then, to select multiple files at once from your category, click on those type of dots at the top left corners. If you don't want to do that, you can also just click on the chosen files. Whatever you do, when you finished, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, select scanning icon above User Guide. Then choose While Using or Only this time and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key though, just click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!